Hey guys, welcome back to Investor League, episode 4. We have PhantomSquid versus Clicky. Let's call in the first competitor, PhantomSquid. Good. Anyways, the second competitor is Clicky. Round now. The sewers. Clicky, what's up? Whoa. Okay, he's canceled. You're canceled. Anyways, let's start the battle in Blood Escape 2. Let's see who wins. Alright, they have to win to get the point. All they have to do is win. Be spectate.
First to 100. No.
Oh no, not first to 100. See, I've never played FE2. I've played it for a bit. I don't know how the game works. I think he's letting Clicky do the thing. You got a button? Apparently they're both sweats at this game. Phantom be like one of the hardest maps.
He did. Still struggling.
And Clicky's just an FE2 player. Both are most likely getting the point, let's be real. This isn't easy. It gets harder, right? It gets harder every time you win.
Look, I beat Mary Green for the first time.
Oh no, but how about you do it? Oh, Phantom died. I don't know, bro. That sounds like Phantom. Clicky. Oh, this is insane. 2-2. Alright, we're gonna go to the medium map. Normal. 7-2. Confirmed. I wonder who's gonna win this match. Okay, well, this is interesting. Looks like they're both gonna beat it. So after normal difficulty is normal difficulty. Are you stupid, Clicky? I know. I'm asking. Is the next difficulty hard? Phantom got the button. Spectate Clicky. Alright, so after this, if they both win, we're gonna go to hard. I'm gonna just write this in case. 3-3. This man's gonna get the button. He gets it. 4-4. Or if I go first, Selden. We'll see how it goes. Alright, Clicky got it. It's 5-4. 5-5. It's 5-5. Okay. Clicky and Phantom done it. 6-6. Remember, it's first to 10, not 7. Also, if you guys are wondering why Clicky's just getting the badges, this is an alt account. Alright. They're both locked in. This map looks nice. Alright. Whoa. Remember, you have to escape to get the point. Can they do it? Phantom, going to get the button. I think.
The last part,
is that it?
Yes, that's it.
Alright, it's score 7-7. 7-7. Hey, where's Phantom? 7-7 the score. They're both swimming. Clicky got a button. Both locked in. Phantom ahead. Okay, they both did it. It's 8-8, right? 8-8. Is this map harder than the other two or not?
Yeah, we do. No.
Why? Wait, is no one gonna get the point? That's waiting for the door to be open. Clicky opens the door. Ooh, that's into the thing. This music is intense. Clicky was there, he remembers. You got this, Clicky. Nah, you got this, PhantomSquid. Oh my god, the love is so close right now. Score's 8-8. Alright, Phantom got the button. Alright, they did it. 9-9. Score is 9-9. If one of them mess up, this could mean everything. Sudden death. I don't know. That looks hard. Okay, then we might go into sudden death. Is that hard to do one player? If one mess up, this could cost them the whole tournament. Okay, 10-10, we go to sudden death. One mess up could mess everything. Phantom waiting for Clicky to do it. It's 11-11. We're going into crazy. Spectating Clicky. Critical team. Clicky dies. Clicky dies. If Phantom wins, he advances to the semi-finals. All Phantom has to do is win, and he goes into the semi-finals. Oh my god! Oh my god, he died. PhantomSquid died. It made me slide extra. Oh my god. We're back all the way to hard. Oh my god, this is gonna take ages. Wait, is there a way? Is there a way to make... Oh, Phantom, you sold so hard there. Clicky died in the first jump. Bro, Clicky, did you think it was over? Clicky, did you think it was over? Bro, I thought Phantom was about to do it. Alright, Phantom's waiting for Clicky. Clicky's messing up. What happened? Bro, this match... Bro, the scheduling for this match took so long. Clicky with the butter. Clacky with the butter. I've never watched Bloxy battles, but okay. PhantomSquid. Just like one mess up, and it will send them back home. He gets another button. The end. 14-14. If they win this, bro, we're gonna go back to crazy. The score is 14-14. Oh my god. How is Phantom not dead? All the way down. Clicky just came down. Phantom with the button. Will we go 15-15? Will we go to the crazy map? Or is this it? Phantom gets the button. Clicky gets the button. Phantom gets the button. Phantom dies! Phantom dies! Can't Clicky do it? Can't Clicky advance? Is this it? Phantom messes up, a crucial mess up. Clicky gets the button. Can't Clicky do it?
Sorry, Phantom. I did it!
And he does it, and he goes to the semifinals. With a final score of 15-14, Clicky advances to the semifinals to go against ours. Are you... oh my god, that was such a close match. GG's. Clicky, it's time. Come here, PhantomSquid. So basically, we have this thing, right? Come here. Give me. Yep. Get out of here. Get him out of here. Push him out. Get out of here, Phantom. No, leave. Ah!